Safety features when it comes to solar power installation should never be taken for granted. The parts that are supposed to be earthed when it comes to solar panel is definitely this body, the aluminium body. In fact, it is indicated the earthing connection right here, where from this panel, it has to be connected all the way to the earth rod. It could be on the roof that the panels are installed. It could be somewhere out there where you have the panel rack for these solar panels. It has to be earthed, and remember this, you have to ensure that you conduct several checks throughout the year, twice or even once, to ensure that the earthing is very safe. Because remember, these DC voltages are very dangerous, or should I say DC current is very dangerous, and therefore you must be very careful. So the earthing is very important for solar, isn't it, Margaret?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, so all the panels need to be earthed. So assuming that we have 2 panels or even more,
Okay.
connecting them in series definitely means that the negative of this panel will be connected to the positive of the other panel. When it comes to solar power connection, especially at the solar panel level, you need to understand that these connections need to be taken with a lot of seriousness, because if there is any droplets, water or rainfall droplets to these connections, it will compromise on that, because again it means that the inverter will not receive sufficient PV power from the solar panel, and therefore the connection has to be very tight. That is why MC4 connectors are very important. Now my top boss Margaret is ensuring that the connection is done perfectly.